friends. Health is very important, so sleeping, deep sleep is required. Best ways to sleep. Number 1, turn off the computers, TV, gadgets, mobile. Number 2, find your own stress management technique. Number 3, get comfortable. Number 4, don't go to bed on empty stomach. Number 5, keep your bedroom dark and quiet. Number 6, learn to relax. Number 7, make sure your bedroom is not too hot or too cold. Number 8, invest in good quality mattress and pillows. Number 9, no food close to bedtime. Number 10, soundproof your bedroom. Number 11, stay cool. Number 12, make sure there is good ventilation. Number 13, avoid big meals at night. Number 14, avoid using your phones and mobiles. Number 15, go to bed early or stick to a schedule. Number 16, by using progressive relaxation. Number 17, get comfortable. Number 18, aim for 7 to 9 hours sleep. Number 19, exercise regularly. Number 20, less caffeine. Number 21, practice deep breathing. Number 22, avoid watching TV. Number 23, try a visually peaceful place. Number 24, found your own stress management technique. Number 25, learn to relax. Number 26, don't go to bed on empty stomach. Number 27, keep regular hours. Number 28, make sure your bedroom is not too hot, too cold. Thank you.